what's up? It's Elizabeth Graham and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my step-by-step process on how I post on Instagram. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you can be notified when my videos are up. This is video 2 of 4-part series for Instagram strategies. It has been 10 years since Instagram rolled out, and in the last 10 years, we have seen so many drastic changes to the app itself that the algorithm is a little wonky sometimes for us. But when you understand it and you understand what it is that Instagram is looking for in posts and in profiles, you will start to get the liking from Instagram, and the algorithm might find a little favor for you if you do these things that it is liking to grow your Instagram. The algorithm is not the same as it was 10 years ago. Now, it is most likely that people won't see your posts if you're inconsistent or you don't use every single thing that they have to offer on Instagram. So what can you do? Well, number one, I just relearned this, even though I've known this for the past 5 years and have not taken advantage of this amazing thing. It's this. Come here. Post valuable, shareable content. I know that sounds super easy, right? But we don't do that. I know for me, switching gears to posting things that are more relatable to my target audience, things that are shareable, I'm really starting to notice a complete drastic shift to my Instagram profile. I'm starting to see more engagement, and I'm starting to see more impressions, which is people coming to my profile. And I'm starting to see more followers every single day that I'm doing this type of content. Making sure that your content is shareable will get more eyes to your profile and get more eyes to your posts with more possible clients or customers to grow your business. What do I mean by sharing content that is valuable and shareable? Okay, yes, do post photos of yourself, of your family, but let's think about this for a second. So what do I mean about creating shareable and valuable content? If we're honest, not a lot of people are going to share a selfie of you onto their stories. Why? Because they're not your family, or sometimes it'll just be an acquaintance and not really a friend. So you want to create stuff that is shareable. You want to create content that is informative, educational, or entertaining. Those are the 3 that will get shared often into people's stories, and sometimes it'll even get shared off of Instagram to possibly Facebook. Now, should you just stop posting pictures of your family or selfies of you? Of course not. People need to get to know you on Instagram, but you want to make most of your profile and most of your things be on brand. And if you are into family and maybe that is your target audience, you want to do that, but you also want to create carousels that will be like a photo of your family, and then you could create carousels of information of what you're posting about. Maybe some graphics with some writing on them and some information, statistics, whatever. You kind of catch where I'm going as an example here of what I mean. So what do I do exactly when I post on Instagram? Here is the example that I want you to see. Now, this is my most recent post that I did when I shot this video. This is a picture of my daughter. And of course, I just talked about how it most likely won't get shared, but I just created something that I wanted to become shareable or most likely liked. You will see more engagement of people liking and commenting on the things with your photo, but it won't get shared so other people can see your profile and possibly follow you. So the first thing that I do when I post my stuff is I already have this all pre-planned. So the number one thing you need to do when it comes to Instagram is you have to plan ahead. When you don't plan ahead, you'll take, instead of 5 minutes of posting, you'll take 10 to 20 minutes thinking of content, finding the hashtags, doing the filters, making sure it all fits. So you take a long time to post when you haven't pre-planned it. So that's why I like to batch my things, and this was one of the things that I batched. So you'll see here that this is a picture of my daughter, and I ended up coming from what's called Plan. It's a free app that you can use, and I just copied and pasted it. Now, you'll see that once the picture has been uploaded there, you'll see that the hashtag and the description's already onto the post. So the next thing that I do is once it is ready, I make sure I add a location, I tag myself, and also I make sure to do the alternative settings in advanced settings. These alt text settings are for people who are visually impaired. And it helps, you'll see here, it helps them understand and see what your picture is about. And that's more people you can touch, more lives that you can encourage, and more people that can see your posts. Because that is what helps with the algorithm and helps you grow your Instagram. When it comes to the location, I like to pick the nearest biggest city, which to me is Raleigh, North Carolina. You can do just North Carolina, or you can do your city or whatever. I picked the big one because the more metropolitan the city, the more eyes can see your post. So after I do the whole posting and everything, I make sure that I share it onto my stories. You can do cute little graphics and you can make it cute and spunky and all that, or you can just share it and quickly make a little video or a quick little description on what it is that they're going to be looking at instead of new posts. I just found that out, that if you put on there what the post is about, it helps people want to click it and understand what they are actually going to see. I personally have not been doing that. I personally have just been putting it and then putting a cute little graphic, as you can see here, and just putting new post. But how much better would it be if you put new post helping you grow your Instagram with hashtags or with whatever, or giving them a reason to want to click that post and giving them a reason to want to engage in it with your call to action. Now, make sure that in every single post you have some kind of call to action. I have not been very good at that. But having a call to action, whether it's click your link, follow you on YouTube, make sure to follow, make sure to like and comment, make sure to share, whatever, have it on there, because that creates momentum for you. And it creates momentum for your post to keep on growing and to reach more eyeballs. So when you try this and you start to see some kind of growth in your Instagram, come back to this video and comment letting me know that you tried it and it worked. I am curious to see how many people are going to see a skyrocketing in their Instagram when trying these amazing strategies that I have been implementing to help me grow my own Instagram. Head on over to this video and check out my hashtag strategy that is helping me grow my Instagram and helping me connect with more people to possibly have more clients and customers. By using a strategic plan with hashtags, you're making sure that Instagram sees your post and also doesn't consider you a bot when you're using the same hashtags in every single post. I'll see you over here. Bye.